chat here. Understand?
Yeah.
It's just normal for us to chat and just speak on different topics, give our opinions, give our facts. You know, that's what we do here. Understand?
Yeah.
And y'all gotta see a lot more of us, the normal people. We're not celebrities. We're accessible. Understand? And the normal mindset, the everyday citizen is being overlooked. Understand? It's they're being washed away from the celebrity lifestyle.
Right.
Everybody on day 1 is looking at day 20 from somebody else and saying, "Oh my God, look," but not realizing you're on day 1 and it's gonna take time to get there.
Right.
So, but they want it yesterday.
No.
Yeah. It's like
everything comes with being patient. You know what I mean? You don't want to skip a step. You don't want to go about nothing the wrong way. You want it to come genuinely. You want it to come when the timing is right. And when the timing is right is when God's going to present it to you. Yeah. When God presents it to you, you're going to already know and be prepared for it.
Yeah. Well, I think it's just about, like you said, just trusting the process as well, first of all, it's like you have to, you have to be where you need to be to accept that gift that's going to be in your life later on. You get what I'm saying? It's a setup. You get what I'm saying? You have to set yourself up for that. Okay, like ladies, what we were talking about earlier, finances, okay, you want a man that makes a certain amount of money, okay, but work on yourself so that way you're ready to accept that man who makes a certain amount of money, because that man is going to have an expectation of whoever he's going to allow in his life.
Yeah, absolutely.
And I don't think a lot of women realize that. That's
and not go reach the expectation.
Exactly, but it comes from working on yourself as a person. Yeah. It's more than just looking good and having a big butt. You know what I mean? Like, do you cook? Do you clean? Are you cooperative? Are you submissive? Yeah. Are you taking care of your body? Are you taking care of your mind? It's a lot of things that go into that. So there's nothing wrong with wanting what you want, but are you prepared to receive what you want when it comes to you?
That's right.
Yeah. I would take more genuine love over materialistic.
Exactly.
There's just something as that.
Yeah, positioning is everything.
Agreed.
You got people that's incarcerated, right? And they get up, they pack their bags, and they prepare to leave every day, right? And they do this because their mind isn't incarcerated. Mm-hmm. Understand? So the preparation, putting themselves in position to leave, even though they may have 2, 3 years, 5 years.
Yeah.
But the positioning is everything. Understand?
That's definitely.
In order to receive certain blessings of the Lord, you have to be in position.
Mm.
I have to hear the voice of the Lord. Understand?
Yeah.
You have to be cleansed of the ideologies of our forefathers.
Yeah, of the world, period.
Of the world, period.
Yeah, because the world will, the world put so much in your mentality, but I think what happens in society is that most people don't question what they're told.
No, not at all.
At all, but
you're taking it wrong.
Yeah, because I think that, when you look at how some kids were raised, they were raised not to ask questions, but I think that's the wrong way to raise a child. It's like, hey, you can ask the questions, but the thing is, are you prepared to go seek the answer of the question that you asked?
Right.
You see what I'm saying?
Yeah, absolutely.
So going back, not to go off subject, but to the women, it's like it's okay to ask questions about relationships, but don't go look at Love and Hip Hop for your answer. You get what I'm saying? Sure. Talk to somebody who knows. You get what I'm saying? Right. And be prepared for that truth, because most people don't want to accept that truth that they hear.
Right.
Because they've been brought up that certain way. And when they realize that, hey, everything I was told was a lie, it's hard for them to swallow that truth.
Right. Yeah. So once you see, when you accept the truth,
your eyes are open to something new.
You almost have to act upon it.
Yeah. That's agreed.
It's like if you told me, oh, now this is kerosene that I'm drinking. And I do my research and I be like, damn, it is. And I still drink it.
Yeah, then that's on you. Because you found the truth.
Right. I'm almost I'm almost committing suicide. Nobody wants to go against how they've been raised all their lives.